to the ones with the sense of direction and the ones who are feeling their way. Begin here. Broad horizons await. From bold explorers to quiet seekers, looking to find your purpose, your tribe, this is the place. To go with the flow, to go against the grain, find your feet first, then dare to disrupt. With support from the best, learn in ways that make sense to you. Because here, success is a game where you play to your strengths. Through action and doing, experience and practice, you'll grow into who you're meant to be. Expressing what makes you, you, freely. You don't need to fit in to know you belong in our big-hearted, beautiful city. Live the dream. Big dreams are great. But action and doing is how you create the work and the life that feels right for you. And you'll love who you become as you discover what you can do.